Hello everyone, welcome to Football Manager 2020. I found this game to be a fantastic pastime during this pandemic break. It's sort of like FIFA the video game but the manager mode only. It has a pretty decent simulation system, it has the player names and clubs and you can do transfers. It's the real deal. And on the mobile version it's very accessible. All you need is an iPhone or an Android. You can find it at the App Store or the Google Store. And just get this game, man. I think you guys will enjoy it if you love world football. These videos will help you guys see into the game, give you a tutorial how it works, you get right into it, and I'll see what else I could find for you guys as well over time. So to start the game, let's go to new game. We want to start a career, so I'm going to confirm. Insert your name, we'll go with PC. I'm a male. I'm Canadian. Now you guys will see this menu, the options. I suggest using the same options I use. My database is as new as March of 2020. My coaching style is attacking. I have the gold badge, but you can see here, just bronze or silver. You actually start with none, but they're very easy to get. Reputation, you could be an unknown person, you could be a normal local coach, or maybe you're Mourinho and your household name. Again, you'll access those options as you pass through the game. Confirm. Now, foreign nations need to be picked, and they'll stay in depth for us. Well, we're going to go with England, because that's probably the most popular for English-speaking people. We'll go from the Sky Bet League 2 and up. We're going to do Italy. We'll do City C and up. España. We'll do Second Division B and up. And finally, let's do Germany. Bundesliga. No, let's go Liga 3 and up. Game start date, July 1st, 2019. Let's make sure that's set as well. As you can see, we have a big database here. And this will allow us to do transfers as soon as we enter the game. Confirm. Oh, this is exciting. So, I'm going to choose Arsenal just for the tutorial. And here you can see me about to get into the game. Here's a summary. We're about to do career mode. We got 4 active leagues. I'm PC, Canadian. I'm set to manage Arsenal. So I confirm the game's doing its thing. Now, for these tutorials, for this video here, I'm going to go very basic. Just enter the game. Let me show you how my match works. And I'll make videos going more into depth to make it easier. So right now, some big news. I've been appointed as manager of Arsenal. So here's the menu. It might look confusing at first, but it's very simple. You have your inbox like FIFA. You have a home page, team page, manager page, club news page, world news page, transferred search, player search page, and we have the settings. Let's just press next on red and keep going until we get into a match. And we'll get into everything more in depth on the next video. So you can see the board wants me to get Europa League at least. They're even willing to offer me more money for transfers. I already have a scout in the game. He's found Werner and other players ready to sign. There's this thing called mentorship. We'll get into it, but again, it's a skip for now. I'll get back into this later. Let's see how a match is played. So a friendly versus Calgary of Italy has been set up. This part's a little frustrating, obviously. We have to skip. These are days we could be doing transfers, but whatever. Like I said, I'll show you after. I just want us to get into a match. So slow. So we have youth teams in here, U21 teams, a lot of world teams in here. Very easy to scout their players. They show you who the best players are. My players could go down to the second team if they're too young enough to still develop. A loan offer has been made. Oh, they're forcing me to respond. So this is a quick look into transfer. You could do loans, do transfer, do wages, all of that, accept. I just want to get into a match, man. Come on. He's decided to go. I let him go. Squad numbers. It's not important right now. But as you can see, we're already into the game. They're already getting me engaged, getting me excited. Transfer deadline for clubs is in 1 week. It's all good. I'll get all my stuff done. I'm not worried. So here's the match coming up, the friendly. Some quick notes. I could go more in depth, which I'll show later. And today is match day, baby. So here's basically how the squad looks. Let's view the squad in detailed. Okay. So my goalie, my defensive, my players, formation we're going to play. Again, I'll go into more depth after. Aubameyang could be captain. Let's just show how the gameplay is going to be, okay? So ready? Arsenal versus Calgary. So here's how the game style goes, you know? I think it's pretty good for a mobile game. Games aren't too long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'll do a more in-depth in-game video as well. So 23 minutes in, we're trying to create something. Playing at the Emirates Stadium. See the statistics are at the bottom. I'm not even going to do any subs or anything either. Again, we'll do that in a more detailed video after. But yeah, this is the game, guys. Look at that. Aubameyang scores off of a corner. Now, if you have a soccer mind, you probably saw that working. Here's the replay. Ozil whips it in. Aubameyang finishes. 1-0 for the Arsenal. Almost done the first half. And it's now halftime. Here you could do subs or whatever. I'm just going to press play so we could just continue simulating. Again, we'll go into more detail as the videos move on. Saka, oh, so close. I've been dominating these guys, eh? Come on, Calgary, show me something. They probably have the young guys in, though. I have a lot of starters in right now. So we should win this match. So there's 2 views, right? Right now you can see the details going on in that mid-screen. But when something's about to happen, it gets into this type of screen. And wow, I called them out and they scored. Good for them. Here's the replay. Bang, bang, boom. Great build-up by them. I'm going to make sure that defense gets sorted out. Don't worry. We're in the last 10 minutes now. Oh, don't give me a draw in my first game. Come on. Let's go with W. And again, no tactic changes, no player changes. Let's just play and watch. It's a friendly. Who gives a damn? Just for the players to find for him. And that's full time. So you can see here, 1-1. We press continue. Some player reports. And then we're on to the next page. Back to the main menu. So there it is, guys. Here's the intro to Football Manager 2020 Mobile. I still think you guys will love this game. It's fantastic. In future videos, I'll do more detailed. Take care and talk to you soon.